Fairyland is a magical paradise where reach the Ocean of Echoes, where Nakarada, the water fairy, tests their wisdom. Tinker Bell solves an ancient riddle and earns the gift of flowing knowledge. The fairies ascend to the sky realm, where Zephyra, the Air Fairy, awaits. She tests their speed and teamwork, and after passing, they gain the winds of swiftness. With their newfound powers, Tinker Bell and her team return to Fairyland, where Malakar awaits. He unleashes dark magic, but the fairies stand united, ready to fight for their home. As Malakar attacks, the fairies combine their powers, fire, water, air, and light, to form a powerful beam of unity. Malakar is defeated, and the eternal crystal is restored. With the light restored, Fairyland blossoms once more. The legendary fairies smile upon the land, and harmony is restored. As the fairies celebrate, Tinker Bell smiles. True magic isn't about strength alone. It's about friendship, unity, and believing in one another. Fairyland thrives in harmony once again. The moral of the story: true magic is not about individual power, but about unity, courage, wisdom, and kindness. Only by working together can we overcome the darkest challenges and bring light back to the world.